Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. So there's the first day I'm coming across this channel for the first time. This is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, as you can see, we bring the latest and we bring the happening all over the globe. And in this channel also, we react to all videos. Yes, all videos. And I do hope you join the family. Right now, this video you are about to watch, I don't know what you felt about this video, but I hope you do pick some sense from this video. All right, let's dive into the news in details. Hey, it is not easy. This is another wonderful campus tale. The truth is coming out gradually above human imagination. I have a video here that I want us to watch together. I will be watching it with you. About how Fulani herdsmen are terrorizing the environment. But up till now, Buhair never sees anything wrong in what they are doing. If it would have been IPOB, it would be very easy and quick for him to just prescribe them as anyhow he wants to do it, of which is very, very bad and poor indeed. Do you know that some of these Fulani herdsmen, some of these bandits, they are those people that entered Nigeria during this election 2015, and Buhari refused to pay them their money. Now, if you see what they are doing in our town, villages, and community, it will be a very great shock to you. All this while, we've not heard about Fulani herdsmen in all these things that they have been saying, and they are the ones terrorizing everywhere. All right, I also have a wonderful update. Another flashback of Nnamdi Kanu in United Nations. Here is the video. Let's watch it together.
And they have carried out several operations on both sides of the border, qualifying them to be described accurately as a trans-border kidnapping syndicate. They made their Waterloo after kidnapping and killing one Alhaji Abba Abe, who was a former aide to the former governor of Sokoto State. They had earlier taken the man hostage after he was lured by his ex-girlfriend, who had, at the point of kidnap, had moved on and had fallen in love with one of the bandits. When he was taken into custody, they demanded a ransom of 50 million naira. And when there was delay in payment, they snuffed life out of the young man. Detectives from the STS followed up on this case and effected the arrest of some of the gang members, and then after several follow-up operations, picked up these numbers you've seen today. A background check conducted on the leader of the gang, Bàttĺè, shows that he owns houses both in Nigeria as well as in Niger Republic. He's also an ex-convict, having served some jail sentences in Niger after being involved in some homicide-related offenses, and somehow, criminally, found his way out of the Nigerian detention facilities. The body of the late Alhaji Abba Abe has been recovered. We're still following up, carrying out some follow-up operations and investigations to conclude this investigation. And as soon as the courts open their doors to business, we will arraign these suspects before competent courts of law. The gang leader is reputed to be a marksman and a deadly shooter.
Now one of Fatima, my babe. Yes, I'm trying to marry her. I have the one time me and Abdullahi with Fatima, with Hamza, with 3 people, Alaji with Black, then Dreba with this guy. I'm trying to the issue with Mary. The party must say I get one guy when get money plenty. It's Abdullah say there is one issue to bring it. There is one guy in Kano, whether you transfer money to go carry on, nobody can. No.
Sai kana na 30 an kamo ne akan da yin kashe Abba Abi.
He said he's 30 years of age. He was arrested for the offense of criminal conspiracy, robbery, kidnapping, illegal possession of prohibited firearms, and culpable homicide that led to the death of one Alhaji Abba Abi and aide to Senator Wamakutu. Kuno kuka yi aikin?
Mu takwas ne.
Wani irin makami kuka yi amfani da shi, kuma misalin karfe nawa?
Misalin karfe 10 ne. Mun yi aiki da yake daya da pisto guda biyu.
He said that there are 8 in number that carry out the operation around 20:00 hours. They use one AK-47 and 2 pistols. Me sunayen wanda suka yi aikin? Sunayen ku dukanku.
Akwai Umar, akwai Ali, akwai Alhaji, akwai Black, akwai kuma wani direma, akwai kuma Fati da ni Abdullahi.
Bindiga nawa 'yan sanda suka ansa a wurinka?
Yake uku.
He said that police operative recovered 3 AK-47 rifle in his possession. Ina Alhaji Abba?
Ya mutu.
Ya aka ya mutu?
Kashe shi muka yi.
He said that Alhaji Abba is dead and they are responsible for his death. Mutane nawa kuka kashe a Niger lokacin da kuka yi operation a Niger Republic?
Mutu uku ne suka mutu.
He said that they carry out a robbery operation in Niger Republic where they kill 3 people. Kun kashe su ne ko sun mutu?
An halbe su ne.
Why halbe su?
Dan da abokanina ne.
And every issue concerning our people is now before the various arms and agencies of the United Nations. Our case will no longer be ignored. There are those who are wondering, can this thing be done? And we are telling them today that this thing that has not happened since 1945 when they started killing us in Jos, that here today, on the 18th day of September 2019, it has happened. We are not going to stop. No. I said I will come to the UN and we have come to the United Nations. At the EU Parliament, the zoo sent 2 diplomats to come. Today they couldn't send anybody to come to see us.
Watch it again.
Watch it again. They have 4.
Go back.
Oh no. Please. You must all know that the zoo is fighting very hard to stop us, you know that? Yes. So we have to be very careful in all that we do. Or else they will try to stop what we are doing. But they will never succeed. They will never succeed. Biafra is coming. And the zoo must fall. The zoo must fall. The zoo must fall. Meeting the United Nations is yesterday.